Welcome. In this video I will show you how to set up your LG Smart TV for the first time. So once you connected your TV to the power source, the first screen that you're gonna see is the screen asking you to press OK button on your remote control. So point your remote control at your TV and press OK button, and then select the language. You can navigate through the available languages using up and down arrow keys on your D-pad. Select with the central button or OK button, and then if you have a remote control that supports sensory touch, then you can navigate with a mouse pointer at the next option that you see at the bottom of your screen. And if you cannot do that, then you can just press the right arrow key and then OK button to confirm. In the same way, let's select the country that we're in. So press OK, make sure that this option is selected, then navigate to next and press OK once again. Then accessibility settings. If you want to set up accessibility settings like visual and auditory settings to optimize your viewing environment, select the first option. If you want to set it up later, then navigate to the right square or right rectangle, and then press OK to set up this option later. Now you have two options. You can either set up this TV using your mobile device, or you can set it up using your remote control. I highly recommend doing it with your mobile device if you have one around, because this will make signing into your LG account much easier, as well as connecting to your Wi-Fi network, as you will have to do this on your with your smartphone, which is made for this purpose, and not with your remote control. So basically it doesn't matter which option you select, just go with whatever is more comfortable for you, and then select next. Then if you didn't select your mobile device, you're gonna have to select the Wi-Fi that you want to connect to from the list. Once again, you can navigate with your up and down arrow keys and select with the central button. Once you select network, provide a password to it. So I hope you know how to do this on the smartphone, or if you are using your remote control, then you're gonna have to select search field and then navigate on the keypad using your arrow keys and select with OK button. And this way enter the password to your Wi-Fi. And once you have finished, navigate to enter option, press OK, and wait until your TV is connected to the Wi-Fi. Next, we're gonna have to accept terms and conditions in order to proceed, so you can read them by scrolling through them using up and down arrow keys, or if you are using the remote control with the sensory input, then use the mouse pointer you see on the screen to navigate up and down on this in this terms and conditions menu. So once you have read the terms and conditions, select next. Otherwise, you can also select skip to skip this step. Now let's accept some of them. So you have absolute freedom for or almost absolute freedom for what you want to accept. You can either accept well, you're gonna have to accept the just give me a moment. The first option on the list, and other options like voice control, like info about display info, and the ads, personalized ads, and everything else is optional. So you can either press OK button next to the options that you want to agree to. You can also select this option to to select all of the agreements, to agree to all of the stuff you see on the screen, or you can just do it later, for example, or you can agree to only the first option by selecting agree. So now you can select the way to watch your TV, so either TV only or none. Select next to confirm, then select your installation type, either stand or wall mounted, depending on how you placed your TV in your room. In my case it's stand. Then you can also set the always ready. Always ready is basically a screensaver for your TV. It's just what it's called on the LG TV. So if you want to have a screensaver made by LG, then switch the toggle to the right next to always ready option, then click yes, then select next. You could have also checked the preview by selecting preview, then enable or disable automatic update by switching this toggle either to the right or to the left respectively, then press next to confirm, and then wait for the finishing steps. So now we're gonna have to sign into the LG account, so you can either use the LG Think app to sign in, your smartphone to sign in, or sign in on this TV. Or you can skip this step by selecting the arrow in the top right corner of the screen. So I'm gonna skip this step, but you can choose which way you want to sign into your to your LG account to proceed. Now let's wait for a moment. Okay, and now you can agree to recommended apps and services. The apps and services that you agree to will appear on your device's screen when you turn it on. Then select next to confirm your choice or your selection. And at this point, the setup is complete. Select close. And now you can see the home screen of your device. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching it. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.